Good morning, everybody. We start with the global market news update today. Asia Pacific market was set to open lower on Friday as investors await the US Federal Reserve Chairman Powell's comment at Jackson Hole. In the past, Powell has outlined broad policy initiatives and provided clues about the policy path at Jackson Hole. In Asia, data from Japan showed the country headline inflation at 2.8% in July, unchanged from the previous month. Core inflation, which strips out prices of fresh food, stood at 2.7%, in line with expectation from economists polled by the Reuters and higher than the June figure of 2.6%. However, the so-called core inflation, which strips out prices of both fresh food and energy and is tracked by the Bank of Japan, fell to 1.9% in July from 2.2% in June. This is the lowest the core inflation rate has reached since September 2022. Overnight in the US, the tech-heavy Nasdaq Composite saw the largest loss among all three major indices, shedding 1.67% as technology stocks felt the brunt of Thursday decline. The broad S&P 500 slipped by 0.89%, while the Dow Jones Industrial Average ended down by 0.43%. Now coming to the Indian market update, Nifty closed around 41 point positive yesterday, that is around 0.17%. And today's support level would be around 24,687, followed by 24,604. And the resistance level would be around 24,954, followed by 25,037. Now coming to the Bank Nifty closed around 300 point positive previous trading session, that is around 0.59%. And today's support level would be around 5421, followed by 5158, and the resistance level would be around 51300, followed by 51563. As far as mid cap is concerned, mid cap closed around 400 point positive, that is around 1.69%, and the support level would be around 58222, followed by 58,000, and the resistance level would be around 59,173, followed by 59,395. As far as small cap is concerned, small cap closed around 32 point positive, that is around 0.17%. And today's support level would be around 18,904, followed by 18,741, and the resistance level would be around 19,405, followed by 19,568. Now coming to the sectoral update. The top performing sector is photographic product, diamond and jewelry sector. And we see good buying opportunities in FMCG, IT, rating, healthcare, agriculture, retailing, alcohol, chemical sector. And we see top deliveries in miscellaneous sector, diamond and jewelry, construction and material sector, trading sector, chemical sector, alcohol sector, ferromanganese sector, and textile sector. Now coming to the basket recommendation, we continue to hold with the Tata Group stock basket with the expected return of 8%. And the performance review is large cap performed around 3.38%, auto stock performed around 1.29%, private bank is also recovered, that is around negative 2.20%, FMCG has performed 8.23%. Pharma sector has performed 6.77%, and the Tata Group stock basket performed around 2.02%.